The golden rule about life in Asamanga, if you can only help enough people get what it is they're trying to achieve in life, the universe has a very mysterious way to step aside and grant you anything you ever wanted. So the secret to living is giving, however you look at it. Upende usipende, it is nature. We are spiritual beings having a human experience, and we can do nothing about it. Your soul is tied to the universe, and we are one family. So if you can only go extend a kind heart to somebody else, then we can all change the world. So I realized there are people's dreams who are tied to yours, and by you failing to dream, they will never live their lives. And you're there saying, me, my family, this year has to end, and you're thinking about yourselves and centeredness. The world doesn't care until you reach out to somebody outside yourself. And by doing so, that is how the universe responds. It will take care of you. But people are pursuing. Hii deal ikiingiana, hapa nikiwekelea tutapata, yani that language. It doesn't work that way. Umewekelea 20 years. Hakuna kitu imefanyika. You get what I mean?